officially now say very special welcome to you all. Not just to Jamaica, but say for a national program. She obviously is no stranger, so she has the overall responsibility to take care of you all. So, whatever issues there are between Jimmy Lowe and your team managers, we expect that we will have sober and respectful exchanges. I want to commend you seriously in a huge way for your performance against Panama a few evenings ago. The entire Jamaica would have been behind you and would certainly be very, very excited at the prospects. Because I honestly, I don't want to ask your different ages, but I know some of you are pretty young, and it therefore means that you do have a future as it relates to Jamaican football. We want to be respectful in whatever we do, but at the same time, you can be very strident. But we want to ensure that we do have a proper relationship with our Reggae Girlz. You have a game on Sunday. I am pretty confident that you will do well. If you play like you did 2 evenings ago, then you're going to be very successful. We want to encourage you to stay focused. Concentrate on representing your country. It is a huge honor, and none of us seem to take it lightly, to represent the brand Jamaica. When we participated in the World Cup, we were probably the most decorated. I mean, we were in Adidas. We were probably the team that everybody looked forward to being a part of. There was this convention, and this girl is from Sudan, and she shared her experience. And I tell you, it was her situation growing up was something that we need to share, because she had to seek exile because of war in her homeland. And she developed her skills as a footballer, and she now plays professionally, I think, in England. But she, in her exchanges, and how she grew up, and the challenges that she encountered, she has turned out to be a major, major success. I'm going to tell you something that will make you cringe. She said that growing up, she had to reuse sanitary pads. I don't know how, but she said she had to wash them and reuse them. I didn't know how possible that is. But that's the level of the challenges that she would have faced. But because of football, she is now a celebrity. One evening I saw her in a knockoff Jamaica shirt. So I said to her, her name is Amy, I said, Amy, you are in love with Jamaica, where do you get this shirt? And she was so excited. So I said, okay, I'm gonna give you an authentic Jamaican shirt. And within hours I was in my room and my phone rang, and it was her. And she said, sir, I don't want to miss you, I want my shirt. So I took up the shirt and I waited at the door. I thought I was going to just hand her a shirt and get back into my room. But she engaged me in a discussion. She wanted to know every single thing about Jamaica. She wanted to know every single player. Of course, those questions I couldn't answer, because she wanted to know everything about every player. And she wants to come to Jamaica, she wants to meet the team, she wants to know the players. This is the kind of impact that Jamaica has on the world. I'm encouraging you to, like I've said, stay strong, stay mentally focused. If you can do that, the sky will be the limit. Based on your introductory comments, most of you are actually in colleges now. And again, I want to encourage you to from an academic perspective, it's important that you stay very focused. Because once you can achieve academically, then your footballing skills will be on show globally. Like I've said, the world loves the brand Jamaica. We want to take very good care of you. We want to show you love, we want to show you respect. We want to treat you like you are our daughters. We want to, like I said, show you love. We want to have proper dialogue. We want to have proper exchanges. Like I've said, there's a chain of command. You go to your captain, you go to your managers, and let us discuss whatever issues and challenges we find. Congratulations again. We really, really going to look forward to this game on Sunday. I tell you, a number of persons been asking for tickets, wanting to come to the game, want to see what this new set of girls have to offer. So we will be trying as best as possible to get some numbers in the stadium so they can see what you do have to offer. Thanks again, and I see you all on Sunday.